Hi and welcome to another video. So a few weeks ago I filmed a video where I tried TikTok recipes and I had so much fun making that. The recipes were all successes. That's very rare in a recipe video of mine that they all actually work. And then I was thinking, I was like, what if we just make TikTok recipes for a whole day, because there are so many and I just loved them. They were so yummy. So we're gonna get started. I don't need to really ramble about what I'm doing. First one we're gonna do is the pancake cereal. I feel like just about everyone's seen this and everyone's tried it, but I have not tried it and I think it looks really interesting. So basically we've got a pancake mix here that we're just gonna make. I've already weighed everything out, and I actually saw this morning this waffle version of it. It divided people in the comments. Who knew that people got so offended by waffle cereal? Can I just say, I know someone that would get offended by waffle cereal. I feel like Donkey would get offended by waffle cereal. He just wants waffles. But people really did not vibe the waffle cereal. Oh, I kind of now feel like I want to make the waffle one. I'm going to pop it in a little piping bag. In she goes. Imagine if you put chocolate chips in each one. How cute would that be? My head is spinning with ideas. Hello. You shade! So we've got our pancake mix here. Guess what I'm making, Dad? Oh, he's gone. I'm making pancake cereal. Have you seen it online?
No.
Oh, should I bring you in? Do you want to come in closer and I can show you what's happening in the pan? Oh my gosh, so cute! Why aren't you coming out? That's annoying, actually. I want them like perfect circles, but it's just like dingling. No, this is so annoying. I'm just gonna have to go super quick because they feel like they are getting hot in here. Excuse me, little guy. It's like I'm taking a dog on a walk. Oh no. Here they are. Do I turn them over one by one? I just get my big old pancake flipper and go swoop and flip them all. Should I just... I mean, we've got another batch. Oh no, they've all, yeah. That was annoying. I'm just gonna have to literally flip them all one by one. I don't get how everyone else has done it. Everyone else has done it and it looks so easy. They literally just get their spatula underneath and it's like, oh boop. I think I wish I made a waffle one now, to be honest with you. And we're gonna do the next batch. I've learned a few mistakes.
Well, that's tiny. What are they? Cereal, that's what you're talking about.
The pancake cereal is coming along nicely. I actually just watched the original pancake video and they actually do have it with milk. So I feel like I'm going to try. Should we just give
lemon and sugar.
No, they're like maple syrupy pancakes.
Lemon and sugar.
Oh, they're kind of great, small. Aren't they fun? They just burst in your mouth.
Burst in your mouth.
Oh, stop, I love it. Also, oh, they remind me of my friend from Holland. They make this thing called pothages. And they are incredible. They're like pancakes about this big and you flip them over. He does them with ice and sugar. They are sensational. I dream about those a lot. I've had them once at their house and I want them all the time. I suppose they're kind of similar to that. Anyway, into the pan they go, into the bowl. I added my butter and I'm gonna do a little drizzle of maple. Oh, that is not coming out pleasantly. Ah, that looks so fun. Okay, so I'm first gonna try it with just no milk in it. And I actually love the taste of them. I feel like they taste way better than normal pancakes. Mini food is the best. Either mini food or gigantic. Oh my gosh, Dad, they're so good. Right, I need to try it with milk now.
You should put them in another bowl, because otherwise you spoil the whole bowl. Otherwise you spoil the whole lot. From what I just tasted, I don't think the milk's going to work.
You got Gordon Ramsay in the house.
You know it.
Put a lot on the milk. And we're going to try. It might be, we might be onto something. Well, they might be. I am not mad at this. I love it.
What with the milk?
Honestly, Dad. My word.
Better than dry?
I don't know. I just love the mini pancakes.
Yeah, the mini pancakes are good. Admitted. But I have a mini one when you have a big one.
Because mini food is great.
Mini steaks? No. Mini roast? Mini burgers?
Mini bags are great.
Mini
sliders. This is 10 out of 10. Honestly, TikTok recipes are the way to go.
Is that a TikTok recipe?
Yeah. So I am actually preparing my sister's lunch first. We're both having the same thing, but hers is going to be with real cheese and mine's going to be with dairy-free cheese. So I feel like we'll do the cheesy one first just to see if it works. One of those tortilla wrap things which I saw. I feel like when I first joined TikTok, this was all I saw. I feel like it's the original recipe that was everywhere. However, they used bacon. And I don't have bacon, but we have got some prosciutto. I'm whisking up the eggs right now. Salt and pepper. And then I need to grate some cheese. This is one of the greatest cheese graters that you ever did see. It's got one side, and it's got a little thing in it. So, compartment thing. Can you see that? We're with the pan again, and you just pour your eggs in straight away. So, back on the saucepan. Try and make it so it goes the whole. And then you place your tortilla on top. I think we get under it. Flip, and then you put your cheese in. Look how satisfying this is, the way the cheese melts. So you put the cheese on, then we put the ham on, then you put a little bit more cheese on, fold it over, and wait for it to get crispy. Then we cut it up. And then you have your like cheesy. We'll see if Chloe likes it, won't we? Okay. Oh, I'm about to prepare mine now, and I'm going to use my dairy-free cheese, which is so not good. One day, someone is going to come out with vegan cheese that doesn't taste like feet. Surely, in the day and age that we're living in, it doesn't have to taste disgusting, you know, whatever. Okay, here she is. We're gonna give her a little go. What's the verdict, Chloe?
Yeah, nice, pretty tasty.
Simple, easy, quick lunch. It's not mind-blowing, but it's a good staple. I really like that. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this.
So it was a wrap with an egg and cheese.
Okay, so we had lunch. It was really, really good actually. Really hit the spot. I've had a few olives. I just saw them when I needed them. And now I'm about to make I love looking at the dorm room recipes because obviously I've never lived in a dorm. And I just found it fascinating. We're going to get mixing our microwave banana bread.
It's dorm.
Dorm room banana bread.
As in...
I'm making a mug cake.
I'm making a banana bread mug cake.
What, for now or for later?
For now, for my pudding.
A mug big enough, you better not break that mug in the microwave.
It's a microwavable mug, isn't it?
Very precious mug. You bought that from Mama when you were little kiddies.
I would have done it in that one.
In what?
Not this one.
Of all the ones to do it in, if that breaks, how do you think Mum's going to feel?
I didn't know this. Did you know this had some sentimental?
No, I didn't actually know that. You bought that all for me when you were little in Farnworth in Bromley. That's from Farnworth.
Yeah. So how am I to know that? This section is cracking me up so much. I think it's just that classic family. Put in this big boy. Is this microwavable?
That's from Nanny's. That's mine actually.
That's Nanny, if you're watching this, hello. I don't know if you're watching this, but hi.
She will watch it.
Hi Nanny. I'm using the mug you.
Hi Mum.
I'm just mashing this banana. I should be using a fork, but to be honest, I'm being really lazy. This is going to be a gigantic mug cake. This is... I don't know if our mugs in England are just a different size.
That's a lot of ingredients.
That's what I'm saying, for a tiny little mug cake. This would make like a whole sponge.
It is a lot. I think you might need to divide it between 2 mugs.
I'm going to just own it. And
see how it goes.
Well, that's the whole point of this, is testing whether these recipes actually work or not.
On a plate when you put it in the microwave.
Here is the banana bread, and I'm about to put it in the microwave. It says for 2 minutes, so right, 2 minutes on the clock. By the way, in case you wanted the measurements, this is the banana bread. Oh my gosh, it smells like banana bread. Did you smell that? Here we go. Oh, that needs a bit longer. This is interesting looking, I have to say, which is a shame because actually one of the recipes, the dorm recipes last time, was like the best thing ever. I'm also going to use up, she said to put caramel sauce on, but we don't have that. So I'm just going to use up this little bit. We literally have the tiniest bit of chocolate fudge.
Hack video or something.
What?
What video? TikTok recipe.
Try TikTok.
Oh, of course.
Why, of course.
All of these things are new.
What? All of these things are new. Right, here it is.
It reminds me a little bit of those microwave steamed sponge puddings. There's a slight smell of that there too.
That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Especially with this chocolate icing, it's gone all melty. Modo like
I like
you.
And Grace, what's the verdict?
It's actually really good. I feel like you could spruce it up with some walnuts and choc chips and that sort of thing. But it is just a banana bread, isn't it? See you later. Hi guys, so we're back again. I'm making the afternoon snack. For this, I'm going to be making honeycomb. This was kind of trendy on TikTok for a while. Working with sugar, as we know, is always a bit temperamental. And we don't have any caster sugar, so I'm having to use golden caster sugar. So it might affect it it might not. So I've got the golden syrup and sugar in here. Just gonna see how that goes. Just gonna melt it all together until the sugar's dissolved. We are revolting children. This hockey stick and use it as a sword. Never again will she get the best of me. Never again will she take away my freedom. We are revolting children. We are revolting children. Right, the sugar is not dissolved yet. Can you see? And then we're gonna turn off the heat. And this is where it goes a bit crazy. You don't want to beat it too much, but you want to make sure all the bicarb has gone. Oh yeah. Wow, 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 wow. I don't want to get it on my hand because it is very hot. We're dealing with hot sugar. There it is. So our honeycomb has set and you just drop it. This is what it looks like. It's very light, so I'm hoping it's really nice and aerated. Chloe, opinion. Do I cut or do I drop? Honeycomb.
Just to eat.
Yeah. Just drop it. And then I'm gonna get some dark chocolate and just drizzle it all over. Oh, by the way, in England we call this honeycomb, but I think in America you call it hokey pokey, which I actually think is so much cuter. Or cinder toffee.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm gonna use a piping bag, but to be honest with you, you can just do it with a spoon, I think. Just drizzle that. Having the time of my life. A little honeycomb. Woohoo! Oh, you can tell I've been eating the chocolate, my bad. But I just want to say, oh girl, it's a success. So I'm now making my dinner, and for dinner it's called like potato sunshine or something like that. And I've used the mandolin to thinly slice the potatoes, which is always a risky business. Okay, so now we are heating up a saucepan. This pan has really had a lot of use today, hasn't it? Put some oil. And then what you do is you lay the potato around. Okay, I've seasoned it with some salt, pepper and garlic, and then you just basically leave it to cook. I can't see this working, but we'll hopefully get it to work. And I'm also going to prepare my pudding, which is a s'mores dip. I've seen this all the time. So you put the chocolate in the bottom first. Then we lay our mini marshmallows. 3, 2. I was going to put them in neat lines, but I couldn't be bothered, so I've just chucked them in there. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes, I think, nearly. And the potatoes are getting soft, so what you have to do is you have to flip it onto a plate, then flip it back on. You got that. Potatoes are getting cooked, so now we need to slide it. So we have our potatoes here, and then to finish it off, what you do is you put an egg in the middle, boop. But don't really get how it's gonna cook.
Oh, you.
And here we go. I have put a plate over it to hopefully cook the egg. Egg is taking forever to cook. She's still in here. We've got the lid on. Yay! Right, we're gonna transition it to a plate. She's super easy to get on the plate, and I added some peas. Here it is out of the oven. I just scooped some on my digestive biscuit. And we're gonna try it.
Who wants a drink?
Hot water, please. Oh, good.
Yeah.
So the honeycomb has gone down a storm.
I love honeycomb.
You said it's like real life crunchy.
It is.
And Mum really likes it as well. So we're in, and I really like this with the digestive biscuits. It is really super duper hot though, but it is. It's a great little pudding. And everyone can get stuck in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I don't know why, but I just really like making the TikTok recipes. Maybe it's because every single time I make them, they're actually a success. Unlike some recipes we've tried on YouTube before, which are not successes. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any other video suggestions or anything like that, leave it down below and I will have a little look at them. Love you all loads. Stay safe, peeps.